Who will be the king of the Pee Dee River? We will find out this weekend after the King of the Pee Dee competition that will start Saturday night at 7 p.m. Registration to enter will be here at Mad Katz off Highway 74, and the weigh-in Sunday morning, March the 3rd, will be at the 74 boat landing, which is right across the street from where we are. So if you think you have what it takes to be the king of the Pee Dee River, be here at Mad Katz at 5 p.m. for registration and be ready to go in the water. Start the competition at 7 p.m. I'm Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director, coming to you from Mad Katz here in Rockingham with your weekly Rockamercial, your guide to all the fun here in rocking Richmond County. Today, the Richmond County Cooperative Extension is hosting a chili cook-off. This is a fundraiser from 11 until 1 p.m. So go grab a bowl of chili and support our Richmond County Cooperative Extension. Also downtown Rockingham, Willow and Company will kick off their March market days starting at 11 a.m. until 5:30 p.m. These will run tomorrow, Friday, and wrap up on Saturday. See Willow and Company on Facebook for more information about all the good stuff they have for sale in their March market days. Tonight in Hamlet at Axe to Grind, they will have music bingo. Starting tomorrow on Friday, Auditorium will host Boogie Fever, a dance competition. This event will last throughout the weekend, and even if you are not a dancer, you can stop by the Cole and get some delicious food from one of the many food trucks that will be there Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Live music will be in downtown Rockingham with Whiskey River at Hudson Brothers. Double Vision will have karaoke, and Hail Mary's Tavern in Hamlet will also have karaoke. At Axe to Grind, Hamlet's Got Talent returns. It will be Heat 1 on Friday night. Saturday, March the 2nd, Colemans Creek will have a PRS match. Steakhouse night will be at the Grille in Rockingham starting at 4 p.m. Don't forget, registration for the King of the Pee Dee will be here at Mad Katz at 5 p.m. And then in Hamlet, Bowtie will have karaoke at Axe to Grind, and at Double Vision, they will have DJ Roy G. On Sunday, March the 3rd, weigh-in for the King of the Pee Dee will be at 8 a.m. until 8:30, and Coleman's Creek will have another class, and this one is pistol class. Don't forget, next Friday, 1 week from tomorrow, will be the Richmond County Ducks Unlimited Banquet at Rockingham Speedway. For more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, see our website, visit richmondcounty.com, subscribe to our blog to get our weekly newsletter that comes out every Monday, and other important information in between. And subscribe to us on YouTube, follow us on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok. We hope to see you around rocking Richmond County, but if not, we will see you next week.